guys, what tea? Y'all, this hair is so pretty.
Today's video is partnered with Effin Hair. They sent me 2 packs of their loose wave crochet human hair. It's giving effortless, full, and so pretty. This curl pattern came out so beautiful. Let's get into how my hairstylist Touched by Nay did my hair. The method that she does is basically a knotless braid, and she just feeds in the hair regular. I love this method because it has no tension on my hair and my hair doesn't fall out, and it lasts so long. I'm able to wash it and refresh it as much as times that I want without feeling like the pieces are falling out. So if you're trying to figure out a way that you can have healthy hair with having miracle knots, do it like you're making a knotless braid. When she was installing the hair, it gave very much a French curl look, which I wasn't hating, but I wasn't loving. It didn't give like what you see now in the finished product until she used conditioner. I do recommend washing these crochet hairs before installing. If you like having braids and you want to try a different look, I definitely recommend miracle knots. By having miracle knots, I have seen a huge difference in my hair. I've seen my length retention go crazy. If you watch my first video, I did get miracle knots, or my first ever set of miracle knots. You can see the difference of the length. As you guys can see, my hair has grown like crazy just by doing the style. If I didn't mention, this is 20 inches. The crochet hair is 20 inches, and you can find this hair linked in the description and my bio if you're wanting to get some of this hair. One thing I really like about this method is that I can actually get to my scalp. It's really important to me because I'm going to keep my protective style in for a while, and I still want to be able to properly take care of my hair underneath. And I feel like the biggest thing with protective styles is the style can be cute, but if my actual hair is struggling underneath, then it's really not protective. I also love that it doesn't feel super tight. I'm able to move my hair and change styles and do different up and looks with the hair right after the chair. I'm not trying to leave any salon with my eyebrows pulled all the way back, needing 3 business days for my scalp to recover, because that is no fun. Especially around my edges and my nape. I'm really protective about those because those are my tension areas. Those is where the areas that I love to protect, especially after having my child. I've had breakage on those areas, so those areas are very important to me, and I feel like my stylist definitely knows that, and that's why Miracle Knots helps so much. I do want to mention that 2 packs gave me a really good amount of fullness without feeling like I had a ridiculous amount of hair on my head. I was nervous at first because it looked really thin and I didn't think it would look full, but after having it installed, it definitely looks really full on my head and not too much. And like I said, this is 20 inches, so if you're trying to get an idea where it will fall on you, this is what 20 inches looks like on me. Another reason I love this style is the maintenance. I can refresh the hair when I need to instead of feeling like once it gets old, the whole style is done. I can get it wet, I can add conditioner, I can redefine the curls, separate all the pieces if needed to be separated, and bring it back to life. At night, I definitely recommend putting the hair away. I put my hair into braids, put a bonnet on it. I don't know about you, but you don't want to do this work and getting the curls cute just to go to sleep and fight with your pillow for 8 hours and get hair in your mouth. It's no fun. Trust and believe, I know. And probably my favorite part about wearing Miracle Knots is that they're done with actual human hair. Like I mentioned before, I've noticed a huge difference in my length retention because I'm not constantly manipulating my hair. I'm able to protect it and watch it grow. And there's a difference between your hair growing and actually retaining the growth. My hair has always grown, but keeping the length is where protection styles has really made a difference for me. You guys know I'm about to get married, so I'm pretty sure I'm trying to keep my real hair, like have my hair out for the wedding. So that's why protective styles are so important for me right now, because I want my hair to be as long, as full, and luscious as possible. That's why I keep coming back to this style. It's not just because it's cute. I actually feel like it works with the goals that I have for my natural hair. If you're someone who's naturally gets braids but you're getting tired of the same look every time, I think this is such a good alternative. You're still getting the low maintenance protective style feeling, but visually it's giving something completely different. My biggest pro would definitely be the low tension. access to my scalp and being able to wash and refresh their hair, and obviously the fact that it looks so good. Like, this curl pattern is tea. I also want to say no protective style is going to magically grow your hair. You still have to take care of your natural hair and your scalp, so that means oiling, putting your bonnet on every night. Let me reiterate, for me, the benefit of this style has me leaving my hair alone. I'm not combing it in every day, putting my hands or heat or restyling it. I'm not constantly manipulating it. And did I mention I got kids? Y'all know I got kids, so I don't have time like this every day to do my hair. So this is such a good hairstyle for me because I'm able to look cute every day without having to do my hair every day. So if you already love braids and want to protect the style and you want to switch it up, I definitely recommend Miracle Knots with human crochet hair. They're so worth it and worth trying. And again, I use 2 packs of Effin Hair 20-inch loose wave human crochet hair. Everything will be linked with the hair in the description and in my bio if you want to check it out. You guys let me know if you want me to do any updates showing you how I maintain the hair, how I wash it, and what it looks like after a few weeks. I'll definitely give you that video. Just let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you want some aesthetic, her finishing my hair, keep watching. I love you guys.
Before y'all, before anything, any water, no nothing. Before, it's super long. Lens check, very long. You guys sweaty. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. This is just wet. She wet it up, she moosed it up, sprayed it, stuff. She did a lot. This is it. This gotta dry and it's probably gonna look completely different. It's so long. Like, it's so long. So long.
No, you didn't really say
Trust in me. I can't, you said I can't trust in you.